How's it going, everybody? Storm's here. I made a video from the last 2 weeks, and come to find out, my video was like, I don't know if you can see my cursor. It was like this much. So yeah, let's get to it and actually make a video. As I can see on my
I'm Molly Pettit, and welcome to
my
round 2 of
recording
the FIA
stuff,
World Rally
it
Championship.
looks normal. So
Snow,
we're okay.
speed, and skill will be the order of the day here.
Let's hit it.
Rally Sweden will take your breath away.
Oh,
It's
The
so
first stage of the rally is here.
I'm so excited.
And
I love Rally Sweden. I dominate this sometimes, depending.
Starts 40, 5 right,
Let's shut us down.
good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, 5 right, opens, and slight left, 100. Right of a small jump, 40, crest, 60, 6 right of a jump, opens, into crest, 100, 6 left, tightens 3, 80, crest, 30, 6 right, tightens 4, 30, slight right, 40, 4 left of the crest, 50 left of the crest, 180, 4 right short, and
Guys,
3
I
left of the
dominate
crest,
Rally
half
Sweden.
long, tightens, 70, late 4 right, 90, 3 left short, 40, 6 left of the crest, 30, 5 right of the crest, 60, slight left and 6 right short, 60, crest, and crest, 30, 3 left short of a crest, 40, 5 right, slowing, 100, turn, square right, and bump, 30, 6
Squirrel
left, open to the
I didn't
crest,
listen. It's okay, we
into
can
dip,
catch him.
to 4 left of a jump, opens, and 5 left, into 5 right of a jump, don't cut, 40, 6 left, 50, crest, 30,
They just
4
screwed
left
up
of a
over there,
crest,
but
and
it's okay.
5 right, and 5 left of a crest, keep in, into 6 right, into slight left, into 5 right, short of the crest, 40, bump, and 4 right, short of the crest, and 4 left, opens, and tightens, through dip,
Alright, well, I'm gonna restart that. Because we were good, and we weren't good.
starts 40,
No
5
hand
right,
cramps.
good luck,
Remember, I'm doing this with keyboard.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Let's go.
1, go. 40, 5 right, opens, and slight left, 100, right of a small jump, 40, crest, 60, 6 right of a jump, opens, into crest, 100, 6 left, tightens 3, 80, crest, 30, 6 right,
Almost cut it.
tightens 4, 30, slight
much.
right, 40, 4 left of a crest, 50, left of a crest, 180,
I just gotta remember to listen to that.
4 right short, and 3 left of a crest, half
90
long tightens,
turn.
70, late 4 right, 90,
Not crash. Okay, we're good.
3 left short, 40, 6 left of a crest, 30, 5 right of a crest, 60,
Get off the
slight
stank.
left, and 6 right short, 60, crest, and crest, 30, 3 left short, of a crest, 40, 5 right, slowing, 100, turn, square right, and bump, 30, 6 left, opens of a crest,
Well, I almost did it, but we're good.
into dip, into 4 left of jump, opens, and 5 left, to 5 right of a jump, don't cut, 40, 6 left, 50, crest, 30, 4 left of a crest, and 5 right, 5 left of crest, keep in, into 6 right, into slight left, into 5 right, short of a crest, 40, bump, and 4 right, short of a crest, and 4 left, opens, and tightens, through dip, into 5 right, half long, over bumps, 40, 6 left, brake,
That's
60,
tree. Alright, tree counter's up one. And a pedestrian.
2 right sharp at junction and crest into 5 left, 80. 6 right, don't cut, and 2 left, 110. 4 right short, 50. 5
Well,
left.
I am good at this, but
Into crest,
apparently not
70.
today.
3 right, and left of the crest. And slide right, and left of the crest, 180. 6 right of the crest, 130. Slide right of the jump, 40. 5 left over bump, and right of the small jump, 50.
Oh no.
Crest,
Oh no.
70. 4 right short.
Don't ask me how I
Into
did
6
that.
left, brake, 30, 3 right, and 4 left, opens, 50, 5 right, and 6 left, tightens 3 over crest, and 2 right, to 1 left, keep in,
Okay.
60,
A little confused there.
6 right, opens,
Really
40,
lost my,
crest,
footing.
40, 5 right short, and 5 left, 40, 4 right, 40, 1 left short, 30, 4 left. And 2 right, half long, 40,
Corner
5 left
cut?
short,
What do
180,
you mean corner cut?
6 left crest, long, tightens, 40, 6 right, tightens 5 over crest, 120. Caution, left of the big jump, 90. Slight right, into crest, 40, 4 right, half long. 70, slight left. Tightens 3, short, 30, slight right, opens, 40, into crest,
I will
80.
hit those jumps.
4
Listen.
left, tightens 2, around Bales, into right of the crest, 40 bump. 6 right of the crest, extra long, keep in, 60. 4 left, keep in, 40, 5 right, very long. Opens, and slide right, 30. 4 left, tightens, and bridge, 30, turn, square right. 40, 5 left, over finish, into 5 right, to stop.
That could have been way
So
better,
4 minute,
but
50.9.
4 minute 50. Not horrible. We could have done way better there. And we didn't have to go mock Jesus in reverse to
This
get back.
pairing have really started off on the right foot and have put themselves in an ideal position on this opening stage. With the right momentum, we may see them take this competition for their own.
Well, okay, first place. Yeah, we did good. Had to let her finish talking so I wasn't interrupted. But let's see how we do in the next one. I guess, and see our damages too first. I hope the damages aren't too bad. They shouldn't be. But we shall see.
Oof. The car's been through the wars, hasn't it? Well, look, we'll do what we can do. Just
Yeah,
let us know which part you want to
everything. Oh, that. Oh, I suppose. There we go. Let's fix the car.
Get in! You're running in first. We'll get the car ready. You just...
Here we are then, the final stage for this rally where those potentially game-changing power stage points are
This one's
all
going to
up
be a
for
good one.
grabs.
I have a good feeling about it.
Start 60,
Really good feeling about
square
this one.
left, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, 60. Turn, square left, 30, 4 right, 50.
I didn't hit that tree. You didn't hear that.
Slight left, tightens 5, long, 40, 3 right, keep in, and 6 left, long, tightens, 80, slight left of the jump, 30, caution, and left of the crest, into 1 right, half long, around Bales, 80,
Can't see anything.
crest, into 6 left, brake, and left of the crest, and 3 right, 50, slight left, crest.
Good jump.
Opens.
Yeah.
40. 6 right. Half long.
And
Opens.
not into a tree. Okay.
Into small crest. 130.
I may have stopped breathing now.
5 right short.
Good.
40. 2 left. 40. 3 right. 30. 1 right short. The crest. 40. 3 left short. Keep in. 30. 4 right. 4 left short. 80. 6 left. Half long. Slowing. 80. 1 right. Half long. And 2 left. Keep in. And 3 right.
Come on.
Open 6 of crest. 30. 5 left. 30. 6 right. Tightens 5. And 3 left. And 6 right. 40. 5 left sharp. 80. Long crest. 50.
I really want a steering system.
Left double jump. And 4 right. And 6 left. Into small jump. 100.
Only left of jump, no tree. We're good. Okay.
Slight left. 170.
It's not far enough
Slight
left.
right. Into bump. Keep right. And 6 left. Slowing. And crest. Into 3 left. 70. Crest. Into 5 right. 50. 4 left. Keep in. 100. 3 right sharp. And 6 left. 40. Crest. And 5 right. To the left of a crest. 30. 1 left short of a crest. 40. 6
So
right.
technically, we're at tree counter for
And 6 left, tightens of a crest, and 5 left of a
That's
bump,
pretty good for
to
this
5
one.
right, half
Last video that I
tightens of a
made,
bridge, to
and
4
you guys
left
will
of a
not
crest,
see sadly,
70,
I hit like 45 trees. It was not a very good
6
race.
left, 6 right to the crest, and 5 right to the crest,
I did not hit that one.
5 left short, 30, 4 right, and left of a crest, 40, 6 right, and 6 left, to 4 right to the crest, opens long, to bump, into crest, to 5 right short, slowing, 30, turn square left,
Oh no.
70,
Nope.
6 left,
That
50,
was scary.
4 right short, the crest, 50, long crest, 40, 6 left, 70, 6 left of the crest, 5 right short, 40, 4 right sharp, 70, 4 left, 80, 4 right, half long, tightens, 4 left short, 120, small crest, 30, right of the crest, 40, 3 right short, 40, 6 left, tight is 4, long, 120, 3 right, opens, 130,
I am really quick straight line.
6 left of the crest, long, into small jump, 40, jump, 30, slight left of the crest, and slight right, 80, 5 left, 100,
Oh god. I landed that.
finish, to 5 left, to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute, 52.8.
Purely landed that. That wasn't too bad. 452. Did really good on that one. Quote. With
And with that
quotations in
run,
between
this
that.
cruise event comes to an end.
But still got
Let's
first.
have a look at the
5
table
second
now
penalty,
to see
you know.
how they fared.
But still 5 seconds ahead somehow. So, I mean, that was alright. We're second place. Because of those
A
last
moment
ones I
every
did.
team
Not
dreams
very
of,
good.
but one that is a reality now for just these 3 crews as they step up to take
So
a
we're
place
gonna
on the
go
winner's
ahead and
podium.
continue here. Finish event.
Here you are, a WRC event winner. Let that sink in. You're well and truly into the history books now. Congratulations.
Yeah, I won the last WRC event of the year. somehow. Even though I was like a lot of points down, but I still won it. I'll take the win. For sure.
So, just had a really good phone call with Max. He's been delighted with the team for a number of weeks now. Obviously, that's great news, but I still think we can do a bit better. Let's try and make that happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Do one more event here. Let's see what we got. Nope. Let's go ahead and rest our staff because we're
Our budgeting is
struggling
looking
a little
proper
bit.
good at the moment.
Okay. Let's see here. Entry open. Don't really want to do that. Let's go ahead and rest staff again. And that one. Night Racing Charity. You know what? Let's go ahead and hit this one. See how we do. I don't think we'll do too bad. It is night racing, so
Here at Rally Pacifico,
I can't
if
see
we have a
anything.
quick glance
Okay.
at the conditions for the event now, it looks like we
Okay.
Okay, you ready to get set up?
Yep.
This event is...
It's almost
5.5
time now
mile
for the
looks
crew
like.
of this car to get underway.
See how we do. Put in the comments what they think I'm gonna do.
Start 80, square right. Good luck. 5,
Watch
4,
everyone in mile an hour
3,
ones
2,
or a specific mile an hour.
go 80.
We're good.
Caution, square right into 2 left, tightens, 40. 2 right, long tightens. Into turn, acute hairpin left. 40. Left of a crest. Into bridge, 70.
This is interesting.
Slight left and crest. Into 5 right and slight left and crest. And 6 left.
Oh no.
Into right of
Let's
a
not
crest.
hit the wall.
Into 1 left, 40. Turn, 1 right of a crest.
So our tree counter did go up one.
120.
4 now? 3? I don't know.
6 left, 90. Slight right to the crest, slowing, 50. 4 left. 4 right, cut, 60. 4 left,
Guys, we're not doing great.
into crest, and 3 right, half long, opens, 60.
My mind is not in the right mindset to
4
be making this
left,
video right
70.
now.
4 left short, 40. 5 left, half long, 40. Unseen, 4 right, 30. 2 right short, 50. 6 right to the crest, long. To crest, 70. Crest, slowing, 100. Turn, open hairpin left. 50. Crest, 80. Bump, 50. 4 right,
And somehow
tightens,
we're
30. For crest,
Passing
brake.
the leader. I don't think that's a good thing.
1
'Cause I
left,
feel like
unseen.
we're going way slow.
75 left.
Oh no! Oh, well, we didn't hit anybody, so therefore no penalties.
Into slight right, half long, tightens 480. Turn, square right. 70.
Come on.
6 left, opens and tightens. 5 left,
It's hard to
long,
not like big goals
40.
sometimes.
4 right, tightens to 4 left short for crest, 100. 4 left short into 5 right, opens, 40. Turn, 1 right, short to 1 left, 50.
You guys ever seen that video? That guy getting his hands on the car
Caution,
and
6
acting
right to the
like
crest, to sudden 3 left, 5 right short
that
into
one
6
dude off
left,
the
60.
show.
Slowing, 6 left into crest, sudden 2
Oh,
right,
that was probably
opens
one of the
half
funniest
long,
videos I've
and slight
seen.
left. And 3 left short,
Then
over
again, I'm
crest,
very special
30,
ed
4 right,
with
into slight left, to 4
stupid
right
videos.
short,
What is that?
and crest, 30, 6 left,
How did I
half
save
long,
that?
slowing, 40, 4 right,
Oh no. And my idea of being saved is somehow
to
still.
slight left, 50, 4 right, 30, caution, late 3 left, short, to 2 right short, 70,
We're good.
5 right, 5 left, and 2 right, to 1 left, half long, into 2 right, into 3 left short, into crest, into 6 left, to 6 right sharp, and 2 right, 30, late 2 left, 50,
We're doing better.
caution, slight right,
Kind of.
into square left,
I can't stay on the road.
30,
This
slight
car does not
right,
want to cooperate
cut,
with me. Is that? I don't know if that counts as
to
a
4
tree.
left
It's
short,
definitely not a tree.
30, brake, 6 right, 30, 1 right
Some
short,
count, more.
50, 6 right short, 40, crest, 60, 5 left of the crest, keep in, into 6 right, through dip, 60, 4 right of the crest, 40,
Why did I? What the fuck? You guys see that? I had my wheel turned to the right. I know you guys
right
couldn't
of the
see that,
crest,
but
to 1 left,
um,
opens, 30,
my car was like, nope, you're
slight
going
left,
straight
to
into
6 right, and 2 left, 40, slowing, 6 left, sudden hairpin right, over crest, opens, keep in, and square left, and turn 1 left, 30,
Come on.
crest, into slight left, 40, 4 right, cut, opens, and 4 left of the crest, into 2 left short, and
I'm
crest,
27
30,
seconds. Oh. Tree counter number 5.
late 3 right, opens, 130,
Going 5.
5 left short, over crest, into sudden 4 right, 90,
I was
unseen,
optimistic
2
about
left
this
short,
one.
to slight
It
right,
is not working.
50, 35 left, opens over crest, 40,
Hey, look, another tree. This car does not want to stay on
late
the track
3 right,
whatsoever.
30, 4 left of the crest,
blew my
don't
radiator.
cut, 80, 5 left, into 6 right, and 4 right short, to 5 left, 90, caution, 3 right short, to slight left, 40, 4 right short, over crest, 70, 6 right, to 6 left of the crest, 50, slowing, slight right, to 3 left of the crest, 60, crest, 80, long crest, to 4 left, opens half long, 40, 5 right of the crest,
No. Oh no.
jump,
Guys, our tree counter's at like 9. 90%
Finish
of the trees
into
are
crest to
literally
stop.
from this one place.
okay, that's a 7-minute 24.1.
It's supposed to look like that. Does it look like both rear tires are flat? What's going on here? I'm confused. Help.
An unfortunate start for this pairing. Seems like they'll have to put in a good fight on the next
Yeah,
stage.
30 seconds, fine. 32nd place is just fine. We're okay.
There's some big dents in the car, aren't there? Looks like it'll be a hammer and crowbar job. If you want us to mend the bodywork rather than anything else.
Excuse me, there we go. I was waiting for a burp to come and go. Alright, let's
Looks like you're going well out there. If there are any setup changes you want to make, just let us know.
okay, next over 4.5 miles and 1,000 foot elevation change.
Well, it's been a brilliant show of driving so far in this event.
Start 160, crest. Good luck.
Should we just full send it straight
5,
to
4,
like crash?
3,
I think that's a good
2,
idea. Let's do
1,
it.
go 160. Caution, crest.
I've actually
and turn
tried
square
beating
right.
the crap out of this cart where I couldn't even grab it anymore, but it still was.
Slowing, crest, 50, turn square left. 150. Crest,
So far, so good.
140. Caution, slowing, 6 left of a jump, into 5 right, 100. Turn square right short,
It almost didn't want to go
90.
right there.
Left of a crest, slowing, 50, turn square left, late, 50, slight left, into slight right, half long. Slowing, and left of a crest, and turn, acute hairpin right, 50. Unseen, 3 left, tightens, 40, 4 left, and 6 right of a crest, slowing, 40, square right short, to 4 left, tightens,
Wonder
to
if
3
YouTube's
right
gonna
short,
allow
60,
I mean,
4 left,
videos
half long
up
opens,
that
and
has music
tightens,
on it.
into 1 right short, 50,
they've given me some
Square
crap
left.
for these WRC ones.
and slight left, into 3 right short, slowing, and 5 left, into 1 right, opens, 40, 2 left sharp, to slight right, 80, 6 left of crest, to 6 right, cut, 90,
Oh no. No trees.
caution, jump, over bridge, 40, left of a crest, 120, turn, 1 left,
Say I wanted
cut,
to hit that jump a lot harder, but
70, crest, 130,
if I didn't crash out.
slowing, slight left of crest, tightens, 40, slight right, into crest, 30, square right short, 110,
Where?
crest, slowing, 100, left entry chicane, 150,
It's okay. We're okay.
turn square left, into crest, 200,
Smacking that giant hay bale,
big crest,
it didn't
100,
damage my car. Not like the radiator's blowing up.
right of the crest, 120, slowing,
120
6
slowing.
left, into late,
I'm
3
slowing.
right, 40,
I slowed. Oh, my truck.
6 left,
And my
cut
engine
to
cover.
slight right, slowing into crest, 4 left, half
think
long,
engine's
slowing,
clear.
90, caution,
I don't-
late, 1 right, tightens, 4 left short, 50, slight right, 40, 2 left, cut, 40, late, 3 right, tightens, keep in, to 4 left short, into sudden, 3 right, to slight left,
What is that
1 left of
turn?
a crest, 40, crest, 70. Turn, early square right, 40, slight right of the crest, caution, 50. Left of the crest, into turn, hairpin left, 80. 6 right, very long, 40. 4 left short, keep in, to left of a big crest, to slight right, 80.
Come on. There we go.
Slowing, 6
Somehow
left,
I'm-
30, 3 right short, into 3 left short,
After completely
70,
obliterating the car.
late 4 right, tightens of a crest, into 4 left, half long, 60, late 3 right, opens, into crest, 30, crest, into 4 left, tightens, through dip, and 4 right, into left of a crest, into 4 right short, twisty, 40, slight left, and 3 left short, into 5 right, 80, 6 right, right, half long tightens to 3 left sharp, 2 right short, 50,
Oh no. Oh no.
caution, 3 right, unseen, 70, 2 left,
Oh,
cut,
God.
30,
We're good.
2 right, keep in, into lane, 1 left, over crest, half
This
long,
car
40,
does not like me.
3 right,
It does not want to drive. This car doesn't want to drive straight.
and slight left, to 4 left of the crest, cut,
I
into
think it's
3
driver
right,
error.
60,
I can't drive either.
unseen, 1 left,
Let's yeah, let's do that.
3 left, cut, 30, 2 right, 60. Lane 5 left, over crest, 60, over finish, 2 right, to stop.
We're almost to the finish line.
Okay, that's a 5 minute.
We made it.
5.0.
And we still made it 14 seconds before the leader did. We made it, guys. We won the game. Not really, but somehow we're not dead. Smoking. They're all chatting
With
in
the
the
final
background.
stage of the rally now over, let's see how this crew have finished their event.
19th. I'm confused. We're good, right? And 20th. I'm so confused on how that works. Yeah, whatever. We made it. We made it, guys. We did good.
Okay, so we didn't quite meet the goal for that charity event. Unfortunately.
Shush. We did make the goal. We're okay. Well, alright, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was 2 events, 4 stages of complete chaotic and utter disaster. Hope you guys, once again, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go follow my Twitch, Facebook, TikTok. Posting as much as I can on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook for shorts right now. But I did have, like I said, error with making a couple videos. So I'm gonna have to, this is my re-recording of this one, and the other one is just not happening. I was gonna make a bunch of shorts out of it, but hope you guys had a good day. Thank you much love. Have a good one.